Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money with Canva.com. So this is Canva for your information. Canva is actually an online editing tools, whereby you can create pretty much everything on Canva regarding about any post, Facebook post, Instagram post, reel post on Instagram, and pretty much everything you can find on Canva, and you can do it for literally free. That is one of the benefit on Canva. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money by utilizing this particular platform. All right, so before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online. I share about making money online ideas and how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and also online marketing in general. So consider subscribing if you haven't already, and do click the like button as well if you like this type of content. And also, if you want to learn my number one recommendation, go click the first link in my description down below. Okay, so we're going to start with Canva. So as I told you, this is actually an online editing tools. If you create a design, click on this button over here. You can see a lot of different tools here, like presentation, mobile video, desktop prototype, Instagram post, video, story, and etc. So you can literally create pretty much everything on Canva. This is a very powerful tool, and the best part is there's no investment needed. You don't even need to pull out your credit card or whatever. You can literally do it for free. All right, so you can also sign up with a Facebook account and Gmail, and you can actually start creating the file on Canva. Okay, so for example, if I click on the Instagram post, okay, I just want to give you some example, very quick tutorial. By the way, it is very user friendly. You don't have to stress out on how to using it, because it's very simple. So I'm going to kind of like show you some example here. Okay, so as you can see, this is a template for Instagram post. Okay, so if you like to create an Instagram post, you can click on the Instagram post, and then as you can see on the left corner here, this is all the templates that are currently available. As you can see, this is free, this one is free, this one is free. Canva do have the paid version, and if you want to subscribe with the paid version, for example, this one, you cannot use it for free because it is under pro. So you're gonna need to pay or subscribe with the paid version. But for me personally, the free version is pretty much good already. All right, so you can see bunch of free templates as well instead of a free paid version. Okay, for example, if I want to click on this one, if I want to create a birthday party kind of like template, so simply click on the birthday party, and then as you can see, you can pretty much edit everything, right? So you can actually simply delete that one. You can also, if you double click here, you can also edit the text here, and you can also click on the text here. You can go to text color to change the text, right? So this is all the templates color that are available. You can also customize your text color by choosing this one, and you can pretty much click and choose whatever color that you want for your text, for your element and everything, right? So you can also click on the element here, and you can see bunch of others element that you can add on. For example, if I want to click on this one, Coca-Cola, and then you can simply see the Coca-Cola available on your template. Then you can simply move out like that. So as you can see, Canva template is very user friendly, right? So you don't have any experience to using it. So this is how you're going to create or edit your Canva template. Okay, so now I'm going to reveal to you how you can monetize, or where you can sell all this kind of template. So number one website is called Fiverr.com. So for your information, Fiverr is actually an online kind of like service provider. This is a platform. You're gonna need to sign up with Fiverr. It is absolutely free. So what you can do next is you can provide any service that you can deliver online on Fiverr. So as you can see, this is my account. All right, so if I type in like Instagram post here, Instagram template, okay, click on the Instagram template and then click search, you're going to be able to see bunch of services that related to Instagram templates. Okay, so I will design Instagram posts, Canva template, logo, flyers, ads in Canva. So it just this guy charges $10 for a template. So as you can see, it has 149 people bought from his service already. So this one is 15, 103 people, and this one is 40. Okay, I will design scroll shopping, Instagram, and social media templates. And for your information, all these templates were created on Canva. As you can see, it even provided the Canva logo here, right? So I will design aesthetic Instagram Canva templates. It charged $25 and already sold with 54. So let's do some real quick here, right? So how much potential you could possibly make with this type of service? For example, like this lady over here, it has sell 54, right, templates, and then we going to times by 25. So you could literally easily get $1,350 for selling the Canva templates. And one thing that you need to know is that what you need to do is literally you need to do or create once your Canva template, and then you can sell the template forever. So that is very, very powerful, guys. Okay, what you need to do is you need to work once, kind of like maybe you can create like 10 to 20 templates, and then you can sell that templates forever, right? So you don't have to wasting your time create a new template every single time you get an order. What you need to do instead, just create it once, right? So this is actually a very, very powerful place on how to make money with Canva, right? So as you can see, this guy, or Sanjana Rahul, okay, this ladies over here even charge $100 for this template, right? And I'm pretty sure what he does is he create a bunch of template from Canva as well. Okay, so you can see this is the potential of earning, or this is actually the gold mine for those people who are making or creating template on Canva, right? So this is only for Instagram template, right? You can also type in like Instagram post templates or Instagram stories on templates. So as I told you, you can actually create pretty much everything. If I go back to Canva, right? So you can also type in here like Instagram post, or maybe Instagram story, for example. Story. So you can see Instagram story template. What you need to do, simply click, and then Canva has a built-in Instagram template for story. So you don't have to create the dimension on your own, but what you need to do is just click on the template, and then you can pretty much even choose the ready-made template over here, right? So maybe you can also type in whatever template, like for example, real estate, right? So if I want to create a story for the real estate, you can actually see a bunch of real estate related Instagram story on Canva, right? So but as you can see, there are so many paid version here, and you can actually find some free version. Maybe you need to scroll down below a bit, right, in order to find a free version. But just want to give you some idea, right? So even if you pay for the paid version, it's still worth it, right? So you maybe need to have like a couple of orders in order to get your money back, get your investment back on Canva, right? So that is actually really worth it to pay for the paid version as well. Okay, so that is number one on Fiverr. And website number two where you can also sell your Canva template is actually Etsy.com. So go to Etsy.com. For example, I type in like Facebook, maybe Facebook template. All right, Facebook template, Facebook templates, Canvas, Facebook template for photographer. Okay, so let's say if I want to type sell the Facebook template for food, right? So just type in Facebook template food, and then you can see bunch of food templates related to Canva templates that are available here, and all this from Canva, right? So Canva, and this is, just take a look at this one. This is on my currency, Ringgit Malaysia, but in a US dollar, it is equal to maybe around $15, right? $15 for all this kind of template. And again, you need to remember, what you need to do is literally create it once, and then you can sell it forever on Canva, I mean on Etsy or on Fiverr. Okay, so that is how you are going to make a lot of money on Fiverr and Etsy. Okay, so just want to give some idea real quick. What you need to do is, maybe you want to really focus on one particular niche in order to sell your templates. For example, maybe Instagram related to maybe Instagram weight loss template, right? So because as you can see, there's so many people, 2000 above people who are competing with that particular template. But if you narrow down a bit the niche that you want to jump on, you can actually stand out more, right? So like Instagram weight loss template is only have like 8 services available, so that you can actually stand out more among the competition. Okay, so I hope it makes sense to you. So maybe you can also Instagram template for real estate, for example, estate. Okay, so it's totally depend on you what type of niche that you want to jump on. So as you can see, there's still so many people on the Instagram template for real estate, but maybe you can actually try a few different niches in order to even accelerate the process of making money with a Canva by selling Canva templates. Right, so I hope it makes sense to you guys. So that is how that is how you can actually making money with Canva template. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you get some value throughout my sharing in this video, and do click the like button if you get some value, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation on how to make money full-time income online, click the link in my first description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.